Greetings, YouTube. I recently switched my bar ends for my Molako bars from a standard size wine cork to a champagne cork. My vision is for this to be a more elegant and functional solution. First things first, we take our champagne cork from a mum champagne bottle and we use a flat file to file down the end of it so that it will fit in our Molako bar. This takes some time, so just be patient with yourself and do good filing. We'll go ahead and cut off the old tape and just put a couple pieces of new Gorilla tape holding the bar wrap tape to the cork. Okay, now that we got the bar end pretty well taped, we will go ahead and test our grip options with lots of different grip positions. Just make sure that cork's not going to go anywhere. It feels pretty solid, so looking forward to a longer test ride with this setup, and we'll see how that goes. In any case, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.